Everyone is telling you to start a ChatGPT side hustle now. Most of the advice out there is not very good. They tell you to write blogs that nobody reads or copy and paste text onto freelance sites where you are competing with a lot of other people. This is frustrating, a waste of your time. What if I told you there is a ChatGPT side hustle for beginners that is making people a lot of money every month? You do not even have to show your face or use your voice. I am talking about building a YouTube channel using AI. You might be thinking, I do not know how to edit videos, or I do not have a lot of time to spend on this every day. Just stick with me. In this video, I am going to show you how to start this side hustle today, even if you have no experience. If you want to get and scale this quickly, I have a link to Syllaby in the comments. It is the tool for automating this process and creating faceless videos in minutes. You can check it out in the pinned comment. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to the channel for tips on how to grow your online income. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that you cannot just make videos. You need a niche. Since this is a ChatGPT side hustle for beginners, we want to look for something what we call a micro niche. Think about it like this. Of doing broad finance tips, you could focus on passive income ideas for college students. Instead of general history, you could do creepy unsolved historical mysteries. This is where ChatGPT comes in. You are going to open up ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Give me 10 competition, highly engaging niches for a faceless YouTube channel." Let it do its thing. It will give you a list. Look for things that have an audience but are not flooded with big creators yet. Once you have your niche, the real problem for people is figuring out what videos to make. If you want to skip hours of keyword research, that is what Syllaby does. It shows you the questions people are asking in your industry or niche so you can make content that will get views. All right, once you have your topic, you need a script. This is where most beginners make a mistake. They ask ChatGPT to write a 10-minute video about X. What happens? The AI gives them a robotic script. If you upload that, people will click away quickly. To make this side work, you need to prompt ChatGPT to sound like a real human. You want to give it a prompt like this. Write an engaging 10-minute YouTube video script on your topic. Use a conversational tone. Start with a hook that calls out the viewer's pain point immediately. Use short sentences and sprinkle in natural pauses. But here's the next issue. A 10-minute script is long. It is usually 1,300 to 1,500 words. Managing that in a chat window can get messy. That is why using a workflow tool is a game changer. If you check out Syllaby, you will see it has a built-in AI script generator. Speaking of call to actions, if you are enjoying this video so far, take a second to hit that subscribe button. I am dropping videos to help you navigate all these AI tools and scale your digital automated platforms. Okay, so you have your script. Now, how do we turn this text into a video without ever turning on a camera or picking up a microphone? In the past, you had to go find a text-to-speech software, download the audio, go to a stock video site, download clips, throw them into a video editor, and spend 6 hours syncing them up. Now you can use automated video tools to do the heavy lifting. You essentially feed your script into the software. It uses advanced AI video models to generate custom cinematic scenes that perfectly match whatever your script is talking about. This is how people are running massive faceless channels entirely by themselves. They are not video editors, they are just leveraging systems. If you want the tool that combines the ideation, the script writing, the voice cloning, and the visual generation all in one dashboard, click that link for Syllaby. Now let's talk about the important part, how this actually becomes a high-paying side hustle. How do you get paid? Most beginners think you have to wait until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program for ad revenue. If you want to make money from week one, you combine this ChatGPT side hustle with affiliate marketing. You find a software, a product, or a course in your niche that offers a recurring commission. Then you put your affiliate link in the description, pinned comment of your Faceless videos. When your automated videos start picking up views from people who are genuinely interested in that topic, a percentage of them will click your link and buy. You are making money way before you ever get monetized by YouTube itself. It is about creating an asset pipeline. Once you find a workflow that takes you 15 minutes of video of 5 hours, you can scale. You can post times a week or even run multiple Faceless channels in different niches. Let's do a recap of the formula. First, use ChatGPT or Syllaby to find a demand, low competition micro niche. Second, generate a human-sounding, engaging script. Third, use automated AI video creation to build the visuals and audio. Fourth, monetize early with affiliate offers and scale it out. If you want to start this ChatGPT side hustle for beginners today, without the steep learning curve, go down to the pinned comment right now, click that Syllaby link and grab your trial. It is the shortcut to automate this entire process from start to finish. If you found this helpful, please hit the button. Leave a comment if you have any questions about the setup, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical AI strategies. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.